Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm bringing you another what I ate today. I'm not sure if it's going to be super exciting. It's actually really not going to be super exciting. I filmed my breakfast, lunch, dinner, but I did film some of the WW workshop room, just the meeting room before everybody got there, because I thought you might want to see what social distancing looks like in a workshop right now. So I'll put that footage in at the end. I'm actually filming the intro later in the day. I am at the local Coney Island waiting for my dinner to get done. I just got done teaching my workshop, so I'm going to grab my dinner, grabbing my husband some dinner, which is totally something different than what I'm eating. And then I'll show you that once I get home. But again, I just wanted to kind of jump on here, do my intro, and then I can just film my dinner and show you the rest of what I ate today. So with that said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and give me some comments and all that good stuff. And here's what I ate today. Okay, for breakfast today I am having ham and eggs. You can see that I have my ham heating over here. I just cut up 2 points worth of spiral ham. Heating that through, I'm going to add my eggs. Starting to pop a little bit. I'm going to add my eggs, and it's going to be 2 points for breakfast today. I did have this for breakfast yesterday, and it was super filling, and I really enjoyed it, and I didn't eat anything until lunch, so it definitely kept me fuller longer. Normally when I have just plain eggs, then I'm kind of a little hungrier, and I don't know, sometimes I have to have a snack in between. I do have a little bit of grapes left, so I'm going to have some grapes as well, just adding some salt and pepper to this. And then I'm going to use this Mrs. Dash's table blend. And this has been pretty good. Just kind of gives it a little extra flavor in there. So add that in. I'm going to go ahead and make this. And then I will come back and show you what I'm having for lunch. I'll put a picture in of my plate so that you can see what this looks like when it's all done. Alright, it looks so good I thought I would just come back and film it for you. Look at that. Again, just had a few grapes, but look at my eggs. They're so good. I mean, so good. Alright, and with that I'm going to have some Tang. I did find this sugar-free Tang. So it is really good. So it's a really nice way to be able to get in 16 ounces of water really quick as you're having your breakfast. So one last look, and I will see you all at lunch. Okay, now it's lunchtime. I am going to go ahead and have a tomato sandwich, and tell me if you also have this. I've been having this since I've been a kid, and it is so good in the summertime. So I sliced a fresh tomato. I have some light Miracle Whip on there. I've got 1 point of Miracle Whip. My bread is 3 points, so that makes my sandwich 4. And then I made some potatoes the other night and put a little bit of olive oil and some seasonings on it, so that's going to be 1 point for the olive oil. So 1, 4, 5 points for my lunch, and with that I'm going to have a Built Boost, and today I'm having the pineapple strawberry. I did get my workout in on my lunch break, so I'm going to go right back to work, but just going to have that for a little bit of extra energy. And if you have been buying the Built Bars for a while, just know there's some exciting news coming. They are restocking their warehouses. Stay tuned. As soon as I get more details, I will bring that back. But yeah, I really like these Built Boosts. I've been drinking these ever since they launched them. So, all right, lunch, 5 points. I'll be back and show you what I'm either having for a snack next, which I think I might have some watermelon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I thought I would just give you a quick little look at my meeting room. I just got to my studio here, and I just thought I'd give you a quick look at how we're handling social distancing. So here is another look. I just thought I'd flip it around, maybe it'd be easier for you to see. I have 21 chairs in my room, whereas I used to have, I think, 70 something, maybe 80 chairs. So you can hear my staff coming in right now. So I'm gonna sign off from here, and I love it when they come in and they're all excited to work. All right, so I'm going to sign off from here. I will catch you guys as soon as it's time for dinner. All right, so here is my salad. I do have a chicken Greek salad, so I am going to point this out. I think it's going to be 4 points, because the only thing that is going to have points is the cheese, and then I'll just be careful with the dressing, which will be probably 2 more points. I think I might actually have Greek dressing in the fridge, so I'll double check that to see if I have that. So this is going to be my dinner. I'm going to not eat the pita. I should have told him I didn't want it, but I was in a hurry, so I didn't think about it. So this is going to be my dinner today, so I will put my tracker in at the end to show you how many points I ended up today. And with that said, I'm going to close out today's vlog. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next video.